For many, spring cleaning means breaking out the pressure washer. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about where and where not to use one right after this.
Does the outside of your home need a little TLC? Then enter the Elevate Your Exterior contest now at todayshomeowner.com/contest. The winner will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner TV along with a great exterior makeover for their home, complete with Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork. Contest ends May 24th, 2020, so enter today at todayshomeowner.com/contest. Brought to you by Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork.
A pressure washer is a great cleaning tool because it uses water at high pressure to force away dirt and grime. But water at that pressure can also do a lot of damage to your home. While these tools are great for concrete drives and vinyl siding, other surfaces require some thought and care. Wood, hardboard, and fiber cement siding can be cleaned with a pressure washer, but you must use caution. Using the sprayer too close to the surface can remove paint or gouge the material. The same is true for wood decks and fences. Keep a little distance away from the surface. Windows and doors, however, should never be cleaned with a pressure washer. The high pressure can blast away their seals, damaging them and creating a mess inside. Spend a few extra minutes and wash them by hand. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.